So let's start with exercise 13.3 and 13.3. Our first question is a metallic sphere. A metallic sphere of radius 4.2 centimeter. We have metallic sphere. It has radius 4.2 centimeter. It is melted and recast into a cylinder, right, of radius 6 centimeter. We have to find height. We have to find height. Children, very simple. When a sphere is melted to recast into a cylinder, it means volume of sphere is equal to volume of cylinder, right? Volume of sphere formula is 4 by 3 pi r cube. I am saying it r and here it is capital R, okay, is equal to pi capital R square, and I am writing it as capital H. Why I am writing small r and capital R? Because both have different radii. Pi and pi cancel. 4 upon 3, it is 4.2, yani 42 by 10 into 42 by 10 into 42 by 10 is equal to 6 into 6 into H. H will be 4 by 3 into 42 by 10 into 42 by 10 into 42 by 10. 6 will come down, this 6 will also come down. 3, 14 the, 6, 7 the, 6, 7 the. You will solve it, and what answer you will be getting? This is the answer will be 13.3 exercise it is, and your answer will be 274 centimeter. It come out to be 274 centimeter. Clear? Pi value you will take 22 by 7, but here the pi will be cut. Got it? You will solve and get the answer. Clear? Now come to, this might be your approximate value, this might not be exact value. Clear? Now next question is, that we have a metallic spheres again. Question number 2. Metallic spheres of radii 6 centimeter, 8 centimeter and 11 centimeter. They are respectively melted to form a bigger sphere, right? And you have to find the radius of the resulting sphere. You have to find radius of this resulting sphere. How will you do, beta? When these 3 spheres are being melted to form a new sphere, it means the volume of the 3 small spheres will be equal to the volume of the one bigger small sphere, because these small spheres has been melted to form the new one, right? I tell you what children, one thing, in the previous question the answer will be 2.744, right? It will be in decimal. Okay, this is a volume of one sphere, volume of second sphere, volume of third sphere will be equal to the volume of this bigger sphere. Volume of first sphere is 4 by 3 pi 6 का क्यूब प्लस 4 by 3 pi 8 का क्यूब प्लस 4 by 3 pi 11 का क्यूब इक्वल टू 4 by 3 pi कैपिटल R का क्यूब. Out of all these, take 4 by 3 pi common. 6 का क्यूब प्लस 8 का क्यूब प्लस 11 का क्यूब 4 by 3 pi common from all these three is equal to 4 by 3 pi R का क्यूब. 4 by 3 pi 4 by 3 pi cut. 6 का क्यूब is 216, 8 का क्यूब is 512, 11 का क्यूब is 1331 is equal to R cube. Whenever you add it, what you will be getting? 8, 9, 5, 3, 4, 5 and this will be 3 and 5, 8. It will be what? 10, 11 का cube, 12. This is 11 का cube. Sorry, 10. This is 10. This is 1000. It come out to be 8, 2, 7, 1 is equal to R cube. This is cube of 12. You can do prime factorization. 1, 7, 2, 8. 2, 8 the, 2, 6 the, 2, 4 the. 2, 4, 3, 2. 2, 2, 1, 6. 108, 54, 27, 39, 33, 31. This is cube of 3, 2 and 2. 2 to the 4, 3 the 12. 12 का cube is equal to R का cube. R will be 12 centimeter. Is it clear? R will be 12 centimeter. Means the radius of new sphere will be 12 centimeter. Understood? Come to question number 3. In question number 3, statement is a 20 meter deep well with diameter 7 centimeter. We have a well naturally it is of cylindrical shape. 20 meter depth means height is 20 meter. Of diameter 7 centimeter. This is D. It is dug and the earth taken out from it is evenly spread in the form of a platform. But whenever it is made a platform, the platform has length, platform has breadth and platform has height. It means platform is in the shape of cuboid. Clear? This platform has length how much? 22 meter. Breadth how much? 14 meter. And you have to find the height of the embankment. You have to find height. Children, again here, when the earth from the well has been taken out to form the cuboid, it means volume of the earth which has been taken out from the cylinder, from the well, is equal to the volume of this platform. So this only we will do. Volume of well equal to volume of platform. Clear? Well is of which shape? Cylindrical shape. The volume of cylinder is pi r square h, right? And platform is cuboid shape, and volume of cuboid is what? It is length into breadth into height. Clear? So here it is pi r square h is equal to length into breadth into, I am putting it capital H, right? Pi is 22/7. R, this is 8, diameter is 7. So radius will be 7/2, yani 3.5. You can write it as 7/2 also. I am writing 7/2. Into 7/2, height is 20, equal to length is 22, breadth is 14, and we have to find height. Clear? 22 and 14 you bring down. 22/7, 7/2, 7/2 into 20 upon 22 will come down, 14 will come down. Right? 2, 22 cut, 7 cut, 7 1 the 7 2 the 2 1 the 2 10 the 2 1 the 2 5 the, it come out to be 5/2 meter, that is 2.5 meter. Clear? Any doubt? In the next question also, the question is of well. Clear? This question is of well again. Here in this question number 4, this is question number 4. Again, the statement is a well, a container. Sorry, this is question number 4. A well of diameter 3 meter. We have a well, its diameter is 3 meter, right? It's dug 14 meter deep. This is R. No, this is diameter D. R will be 3/2. This is H. It is dug. The earth has been taken out from it, and it is evenly spread all around it. This was well, right? And earth has been spread all around it. Yani this side, that side, this side and this side. This is a well, right? This side and this side. This is embankment. And this embankment which has been made, it is having width of 4 meter. Till here to here it is 4 meter. 4 meter width. You have to find the height of the embankment. Again, bache, it is same. What? The volume of earth means soil, taken out from the well is equal to the volume of embankment. volume of the soil taken out from the well equal to volume of the embankment. Now soil has been taken out from cylinder, so here formula is pi r square h, and here embankment is outer this portion. तो in case अगर आप बाहर के वॉल्यूम में से embankment is also all around the well. Embankment is also in the shape of cylinder. So if you take outer cylinder minus inner cylinder, बाहर की cylindrical portion में से अंदर का cylindrical minus कर दोगे तो you will be getting only volume of the embankment, right? It will be pi outer capital R square h या R1 का square h, कुछ भी कर सकते हो, minus pi R2 square h. Yeah, you can say pi, so you cut from both sides. Pi r square h is equal to pi, you take common, r1 square h minus r2 square h. Yeah, h also you take common. Pi and pi cut. R is 3 by 2 into 3 by 2. Height is 14 equal to this height, so we have to find out. This height we have to find out. What is R1 square? This R1 is the outer radii. You know, this radius is 1.5. This width is 4. This width is 4. This width is 1.5. So total outer radius will be 5.5. And inner radius will be 1.5 only. Width is 4 है ना, this is 1.5, 1.5 and 4, outer radius will be 5.5 and inner radius will be 1.5. So this is what 3 by 2, I am writing it together, 9 by 4 into 14 is equal to h. Here you can use a formula a square minus b square, identity. It is a plus b into a minus b. So 5.5 plus 1.5, 5.5 minus 1.5, a plus b, a minus b. It is 9 by 4 into 14 equal to h. This will come out to be 5, 6, 7. This will come out to be 5.5 minus 1.5, it will come out to be 4. Now we will find h. 7 will come down, 4 will come down. It will be 9 by 4 into 14. 7 will come down, 4 will come down. 7 1 the, 7 2 the, 2 1 the, 2 2 the. It come out to be 9 upon 8 meter. Yeah, when you change into decimal, 1.125 meter. It will be 1.125 meter. Clear? Now come to question number 5. In question number 5, we have a container in which, just I read the statement and then I will start doing it, right? It is a container shaped like a right circular cylinder. We have a cylindrical shaped container, right? And it is full with ice cream. And it has diameter 12 centimeter and height is 15 centimeter. Clear? And this ice cream is to be filled in a cone, right? And this cone is of height 12 centimeter. Clear? And diameter 6 centimeter. Having an hemispherical shape on it. we have to find the number of cones. We have to find number of cones. Better to find the number of anything, what we do, we write volume of bigger upon volume of smaller. So here, because we are talking about the cone, the bigger is container and smaller is the bigger is a container and smaller is a hemispherical cone, right? So what will be the number of cones? Number of cones will be volume of cylinder upon volume of cones. This is cylindrical. Volume of cylinder is pi r square h, and volume of cone is cone plus hemisphere. Okay, cone plus hemisphere, because this cone is a combination. This cone is a combination, right? Combination of cone and hemisphere. Got it? So it will be what? Upon cone has 1 by 3 pi r square h and hemisphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Both have same radius. Pi take out common from the denominator. It will be 1 by 3 r square h plus 4 by 3 r cube. Pi and pi cut. Radius of cylinder is 6 into 6. R will be 6 centimeter. And height will be 15 upon 1 by 3. Its radius is 3 into 3. H is 12. Cone ka height. Plus 4 by 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. R ka 3 cut. 5 for the 15 for the 90, 540, 96 to 540. It is 36 plus 3 to the 9, 12 to the 36. Here it will come out to be here it is 6 into 6. 3 into 3 pi 1 by 3 r square into h 12 is equal to 4 by 3. It is hemisphere 2 by 3 r. 3 to the 9 to the 18. It is 540 upon 54. It will come out to be 10 cones. Clear? So this question also you will, very simple it is, volume of cylindrical container upon volume of the combination. Combination is of cone and hemisphere. Put the formula of cone and put the formula of hemisphere and put all these values, you will be getting this answer. Understood? So have a nice day.